Diamond Group of Institution, Diamond PU Science College.
Good morning, students. In the last session, we discussed the theory part of current electricity, and today we are going to discuss the important formulae regarding current electricity and numerical problems based on NCERT. And before going to discuss the problems, see here, we just discuss the weightage of the chapter, most important chapter in our PUC physics, and the most highest weightage chapter also current electricity, and the questions are going to be framed based on this one marks, 2 marks, 5 marks plus 5 marks numerical. So the total is 30 marks, and 5 marks derivation always every year, and 5 marks problem is going to be asked every year. So practice number of problems based on these formulae and see the first formula, current. What is current? I equal to Q by T. Q means charge, T means time. Ohm's law. V equal to I into R. Potential difference, current and resistance. Next, if you want to calculate the resistance, then R equal to V by I. And this resistance is again based on Ohm's law, because V equal to I into R. So R equal to V divided by I. Next, resistivity. What is the resistivity formula? Rho equal to R into A by L. A means area of the cross section of the conductor. L means length of the conductor. And R means resistance. Next, when the resistors are connected in series and connected in parallel, that is combination of the resistors, already we discussed in theory part. Resistors connected in series. What is the formula? R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus up to so on R. Next, resistors connected in parallel. 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 up to so on 1 by Rn. See once again, series formula R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus Rn, and 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 up to so on 1 by Rn. This is connected in parallel. Now next one, drift velocity. Drift velocity, I have already told, whatever the electrons which are moving in presence of electric field, the average velocity is called drift velocity. And to find the drift velocity, we are going to use the formula Vp equal to I divided by NEA. Means actual formula I equal to NEA VT. So based on this formula I equal to NEAVD, and this formula is converted. Next, conductivity sigma. What is the symbol of conductivity? Sigma. Ne square by m into tau. Tau means relaxation time. N means number of electrons, magnitude of charge, mass of an electron. Next, current density. What is current density? Current flowing per unit area. So what is the formula? J equal to I by A, and it is a vector. And power dissipated in the circuit. Power, symbol P. Power is a scalar quantity. P equal to voltage into current. That means P equal to V into I. If you apply the Ohm's law in place of V, if you write I into R, then the formula again changes to I square into R, because I into I becomes I square into R. Then in place of I, if you write V by R, then the formula changes to V square by R. So this is the expression for power. And next, whatever the main current, formula I equal to E divided by capital R plus small r. And this is regarding the cells. E means EMF. This is external resistance, and small r indicates internal resistance. The potential difference across the cell. If you want to calculate the potential difference across the cell, E into R divided by capital R plus small r. That means E implies V equal to I into R. I means this current into R resistance. Next, cells connected in series. Equivalence EMF equal to E1 plus E2 up to so on En when they are connected in series, as well as internal resistance equivalence equal to R1 plus R2 up to so on Rn. Next, cells connected in parallel. 1 by equivalence equal to 1 by E1 plus 1 by E2 up to so on 1 by equivalence. 1 by En. Similarly, the reciprocal of the internal resistance, that is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 up to so on 1 by Rn. And finally, the most important condition, that is Redstone network, already we discussed based on Kirchhoff's first law as well as second law. The condition, balancing condition for Redstone network is P by Q equal to R by S. So these are the most important formulas. Already we studied in theory as well as just now I wrote here. So based on these formula, now we are going to discuss some of the numericals based on NCERT, and compulsory one problem is always going to be asked every year in the annual examination from the chapter current electricity. NCERT problems. Problem number 1. A negligibly small current is passed through a wire of length 15 meter and uniform cross section 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter square, and resistance is measured to be 5 ohms. And what is the resistivity of the material? So question mark is resistivity, and what are the given values? The first value is given as length and area of cross section value A, and the resistance value 5 ohm. Then question mark is resistivity. So see here, given values length equal to 15 meter and area of cross section 6 into 10 to the power minus 7, and the resistance is 5 ohm, and comma question mark is resistivity. So see, what is the formula of resistivity? Rho equal to R into A by L. R value is how much? 5 into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 50. So 5 ones are 5 3s are 3 ones are 8. So what is the answer? Rho equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ohm meter. See once again, what are the given values? Length 15 meter, area of cross section 6 into 10 to the power minus 7, and resistance value is given as 5 ohm. Question mark is resistivity. So resistivity formula rho equal to R into A by L. R value is how much? 5 into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is area of cross section, and length of the conductor is 50. So if you do this simplification, here 5 ones are, 5 3s are, and 3 ones are, 3 2s are. So what is the answer? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. And what is the unit of resistivity? Ohm meter. So this is the first problem. Similar method problem here. The resistance of a wire having a length. What is the length value is given? 0.6 meter. And what is the diameter value is given as 0.4 millimeter is 1.5 ohm. So find the resistivity. Again, same method problem, same values, and see here length value is 0.6 and the resistance is 1.5, and question mark is resistivity, and here diameter value is given 0.4 into millimeter. So what is the resistivity formula? Rho equal to R into A by L. R and L value is given, but area value is not mentioned. So area of the wire we can write it as pi r square. And again the radius value is not mentioned here. Here the value is given is diameter. So we should convert the diameter into radius. So what is the relation between radius and diameter? R equal to d by 2. So here R as it is, pi as it is, in place of small r d by 2, whole square as it is, length as it is. So 2 square becomes 4. And length value is given as 0.6, and what is the resistance value is given as 1.5 into pi value is 3.14 into what is the diameter value given 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. So if you do the simplification, so we are going to get the answer as 31.42 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. Problem number 3. A current of 2 ampere is passing through a metal wire of cross section area 2 into 10 power minus 6 meter square. If the number of density of free electrons in the wire is 5 into 10 to the power of 26, and find the drift velocity. So they are given I. What is current value? 2 ampere. Next, area of cross section 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. Number of bends units n value mentioned here is 5 into 10 to the power of 26, and question mark is drift velocity. I value 2 ampere, A value 2 into 10 power minus 6, N value 5 into 10 power 26, and drift velocity equal to question mark. Next, for I equal to NEAVD, the relation between current and drift velocity. So we want drift velocity, that means VD. Here into, if it goes this side, it becomes divide. So VD keep as it is here. Take other terms right side, left side. So it becomes I divided by NEA. So substitute the values. I value is 2. A number of density value 5 into 10 power 26. E value 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 values into area of cross section 2 into 10 to the power of 6. 2 to cancel. So 1 divided by 5 into 1.6, 8.0 into 10 to the power of 26 minus 19 minus, or you can write 10 to the power of 1. Means, what is the final answer? VD equal to drift velocity VD equal to 1 by 80 meter per second. Next, one more most important model. A network of resistors is connected to a 12-volt battery as shown in figure. And what is the first resistor is 12 ohm and the second resistor is 6 ohm, which is connected to a battery of 12-volt EMF. And question number 1, calculate the equivalent resistance. Second, obtain the current across each resistor. So first resistor value given R1 equal to 12 ohm, R2 equal to 6 ohm. See here, R1 equal to 12 ohm and R2 equal to 6 ohm. So see here, both are connected in series. Both are connected in series. That means the current I is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. That is I1 as well as I2. So first we have to calculate the total resistance, then I1 and I2. So 12 ohm is the first resistance value R1 and 6 ohm is the second resistance value. Both are connected in parallel between the points, two ends. So we can write use the formula R equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus 2. So what is R1 value? 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6. 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6, 18. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. So what will be the equivalent resistance value? We got it as 4 ohm. See once again, R1 value 12 ohm and R2 value 6 ohm, and we already read the formula 1 by R3 equal to 1 by R1 plus 1. So this formula we can write simply RP equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So R1 value is 12 and R2 value is 6. 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6. So here, without using the calculator also we can do the simplification. 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6 becomes 18. Here 6 1s are 6 3s are 3 1s are 3 4. So what is the final answer? RP equal to 4. Next. Question number 2. So what is the question number 2? Obtain the current through each resistor, that is 12 ohm as well as the 6 ohm. So question mark is I1. Next also 2. But what is the value of V here? 12 volt and R value is 12 ohm. Here V value is 12 volt and R value is 6 ohm. Use ohms law. V equal to I into R and plus I1 is I1 becomes V by R. So what is the value of V? 12 divided by what is the value of resistance? 12. That means what is the value of the current? We got it as 1 ampere. See here V equal to I into R. I1 becomes V by R. So I1 equal to 12 by 12. 12 by 12 becomes 1. And see here, one more branch current, that is I2. Again same formula V by R. So I2, what is the value of V? 12 and by 6. So I2 becomes 12. So in this way, we calculated the value of current across each resistor. Always remember that when the resistors are connected in parallel, always the current is going to be divided. Here how many branches? 2 branches, I1 as well as I2. So what is the value of I1? We got it as 1 ampere and I2 value we got it as 2 ampere. See once again, first we got calculated the equivalent resistance value as well as the current through each resistor. So RP is 4 ohm and the I1 current is 1 ampere as well as I2 current is 2 ampere. And this problem is appeared in 2014. Next, numerical. 3 resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in series. What is the total resistance of the combination? And this combination, if it is connected to a battery of EMF 10 volt and negligible internal resistance and obtain the potential drop across each resistor. That means this is on the concept of series combination. See what are the values given. R1 equal to 2 ohm, R2 equal to 3 ohm. Next, R3 equal to 4. R1 equal to 2 ohm, R2 3 ohm, R3 4 ohm. Connected in series combination. What is the total resistance of the combination? So you can use the formula Rs equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what is R1 value? 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. See once again question, what is the total resistance? So there are 3 resistors connected in series combination. So what is the series combination formula? Rs equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what will be the total resistance? 9 ohm. Question number B. This combination, that means this overall combination is connected to a battery of EMF. How much? 10 volt. So question number B, this is question number A, given E equal to 10 volt, EMF equal to 10 volt and negligible internal resistance, that is small r equal to 0, and obtain the potential difference across each resistance. So we have to calculate the potential difference across 2 ohm, 3 ohm as well as the 4 ohm. So before going to calculate the potential difference, first we should calculate what is the current. I equal to E divided by capital R plus 1. So I equal to what is EMF value 10 by what is it 9 plus internal resistance value 0. So if you divide 10 divided by 9, so we are going to get there 1.1. So we got the current. Now V1, that is I into R1 V1 equal to, what is the current value? 1.11 into what is the resistance value is 2. 10 plus 2.22 will be the potential drop across the resistance R1. Next, V2 I into R2. V2 equal to I into R2. Again, I value is how much? 1.11 into what is the resistance? Second resistance value 3 and plus 3.33 voltage. So finally, V3 equal to I into R3, 1.11 into what is the final resistance value is 4 and twice 4.444. So we got V1 as well as V2 as well as V3. V1 value is how much? 2.22 and V2 value as 3.33 volts and V3 as 4.44 volts. So based on Ohm's law, we calculated the potential drop across each resistor, and here the concept is that series combination. So when the resistors are connected in series, the current will be same, whereas the potential is going to be different. So that's why V1, V2, V3. So this is the problem which is given in the examination 2016. Next numerator. In the given circuit, here there is a circuit and 3 ohm, 3 ohm, two resistors connected in series, 6 ohm, 6 ohm connected in series, and 9 ohm here. And the EMF value is mentioned in this 3 volts, and the internal resistance value is also given 0.24 ohm. And calculate main current and also calculate through current through the 9 ohm resistor. So here 9 ohm resistor, and we should calculate the current across this resistor as well as the total current, that is main current. And here see these two both are connected in series. That means R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 value becomes 6 ohm. Here again both are connected in series. R1 plus R2. 6 plus 6 becomes 12 ohm. And this is 9 ohm. So we can write it here. R1 equal to 3 plus 3, 6 ohm. R2 value as 12 ohm. And R3 value as 9 ohm. So what is R1 value? 6 ohm, 12 ohm, 9 ohm. That means this is again parallel combination. So 1 by Rp equal to, what is the formula of parallel combination? 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 9. R1 is 6, R2 is 12, R3 is 9. So if you do this simplification and take LCM, we are going to get as 36. And if you make the addition, so we are going to get the answer as 1 by Rp equal to 13 by 36. If you take reverse, Rp becomes 36 divided by 13, that is approximately 2.76 ohm. So we calculate the overall resistance, total resistance in the complete circuit. And now, actually the question is main current. So what is the main current formula here? Main current I equal to E divided by capital R plus small r. E value is 3 and resistance value got it as 2.76 plus internal resistance value is mentioned here 0.24. So if you do the addition and calculation, we are going to get the main current as 0.99 ampere. So that is called main current. And the last question is that also calculate the current through only 9 ohm resistor. So that means again the same formula, I equal to E divided by capital R plus small r, and EMF value is 3, capital R value is 9, plus internal resistance value is 0.24. So 3 divided by 9.24, it becomes 0.32 ampere. So this is the value 0.99 9 ampere is the current called main current, and whereas 0.32 ampere is the current which is flowing only across the 9 ohm resistor. See one more different numerical. Two coils have an effective resistance of 16 ohm when connected in series and 3.75 ohm when connected in parallel, and find the individual resistances. That means we don't know the values of R1 and R2, and here he mentioned the value when R1 and R2 are connected in series, and when they are connected in parallel, that value is also he mentioned. So we must calculate the value of R1 and R2. And see here, solution. Given that Rs equal to R1 plus R2, that is connected in series formula, Rs equal to R1 plus R2, that is the value is given here, 16 ohm. Next, Rp. So what is the formula of Rp? When two resistors are connected in parallel, R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So this value is mentioned here as 3.75 ohm. R1 plus R2 equal to 16 ohm. R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2 equal to 3.75 ohm. That means 3.75 equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2 value is 16 implies R1 into R2 equal to 3.75 into 16. It becomes 3.75 into 60. It becomes 60 ohm. See here, R1 into R2 by 16, which is equal to 3.75. So R1 into R2 becomes 3.75 into 16. So what is the value we got? R1 into R2 as 60. Now apply the formula R1 minus R2. We know the value of R1 plus R2, but we don't know the value of R1 minus R2. So that's why R1 minus R2 equal to R1 plus R2 whole square minus 4 into R1 into R2. It is in the form of A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4A. So what is R1 plus R2 value here? 16 minus 4 into 60. So 16 square. See once again, A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4A. What is A plus B? That is R1 plus R2 value. R1 plus R2 value is 16. 16 square minus 4 as it is. R1 into R2. R1 into R2 value is 60. Right? So 16 square becomes 256 minus 4 into 60. 240. So 256 minus 240. It becomes R1 minus R2 whole square equal to, it becomes 16 implies R1 minus R2 becomes 4. See once again, 16 square 256, 4 into 60 240, 256 minus 240 it becomes 16. See the left side R1 minus R2 whole square as it is, that answer we got it as 16. If you remove this square and make root, it becomes 4. So see here, this is equation number 1, R1 plus R2 equal to 16, and this is equation number 2, R1 minus R2 equal to 4. So if you solve these two equations, R1 plus R2 equal to, what is the value? 16. Do simplification. 2 into R1, 4 plus 16 becomes 20. n plus r1 becomes 20 by 2. Here multiplying, if it goes this side, it becomes divided. So what is the value of the individual first resistance is 10. If you substitute R1 value here, that is 10, 10 minus 4, it becomes 6. And plus R2 equal to, see once again, R1 plus R2 equal to 16. In that, R1 value is 10. So what will be the value of R2? That will be 6 ohm. See, cross verification, 10 plus 6 equal to 16, 10 minus 6 equal to 4. So hence, whatever the answer we got is exactly that. See once again, when two resistors are connected in series, value is 16. When two resistors are connected in parallel, 3.75 ohm mentioned here. So here, after substituting the values, we got R1 into R2 value is 16. R1 plus R2 is 16. R1 into R2 is 16. So using A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4 into AB, applying the values, we are going to get the value as 16. What is that 16 value? R1 minus R2 whole square. R1 minus R2 becomes 16 root becomes 4. So if you do the simplification, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2, minus R2 plus R2 will get cancelled. R1 plus R1 becomes 2R1. 4 plus 16 becomes 20. So R1 becomes 20 by 2. It becomes 10 ohm. Then if you substitute the value of R1 here, then we are going to get the R2 value as 6 ohm. So this is the most important problem. Next numerical, how to find the internal resistance of this cell. The problem mentioned here is a cell supplies 0.9 ampere current through 2 ohm resistor and a current of 0.3 ampere through 7 ohm resistor. Find the internal resistance of this cell. That means first 0.9 ampere current mentioned, and what is the resistance value? 2 ohm. And the next current value is 0.3 ampere and the resistance is 7 ohm. And we know the main current formula I equal to E divided by capital R plus small r. What is I value? 0.9 equal to E divided by 2 plus small r. Capital R value is given, small r value is question mark. Internal resistance we should calculate. So if you do the cross multiplication, EMF E equal to 0.9 into 2 plus R. It becomes equation number 1. Similarly, next case 2, 0.3 ampere current is flowing through 7 ohm resistor. So I value is 0.3, R value is 7 ohm. So I equal to E divided by capital R plus small r, and I value is here 0.3, capital R value is 7. So if you do the simplification, cross multiplication, 0.3 into 7 plus R. So the equation number 2. Equation number 1, left side is EMF. Equation number 2, left side is also EMF. If you equate these two equations right side, we get 0.9 into 2 plus R. 0.9 into 2 plus R equal to 0.3 into 7 plus R. See here, 0.9 into 2 plus R equal to 0.3 into 7 plus R. So we can write 0.9 as 9 by 10, 2 plus R, 3 by 10, 7 plus R. 10 cancel, 3 1 the 3 3 the. So 3 into 2 6 plus 3 into R 3R equal to 7 plus. See once again 0.9, 9 by 10, 0.3, 3 by 10, 10 cancel, 3 1 the 3 3 the 9. And if you remove this bracket, 3 2 the 6 plus 3 into R 3R. 7 plus R as this. Now take R terms one side, 3R minus R equal to 7 minus 6. So 3R minus R becomes 2R equal to 7 minus 6 becomes R, implies 1 by 2. So what is the internal resistance value we got at 0.5 ohm. See once again. Two currents are mentioned, two resistance values are mentioned. So first case one, I equal to E divided by capital R plus R. This is the equation number 1. And I 0.3 R 7 ohm. This is the equation number 2. So if you equate these two values, here it is 0.9 into 2 plus R equal to 0.3 into 7 plus R. 0.9, 9 by 10, 0.3, 3 by 10, 10 cancel, 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 into R becomes 3R, 7 plus R. If you take R values one side, numbers other side, 3R minus R becomes 2R, 7 minus 6 becomes 1, and plus R becomes 1 by 2. So we got the internal resistance value at the cell as small equal to 0.5 ohm. Problem number 9. A cell of EMF 1.5 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm is connected to two resistors. What are the two resistors value? 5 ohm and 8 ohm in series. What is the potential difference across the 5 ohm resistor? See once again. EMF value as 1.5 volt, internal resistance 2 ohm is connected to two resistors 5 ohm and 8 ohm resistors connected in series. What is the potential difference across the 5 ohm resistor? We can draw the circuit like this. 5 ohm and 8 ohm, they must connected in series. This is 5 ohm as well as 8 ohm, and both are connected in series. And here I is the current, and this is the cell EMF 1.5 volt and 2 ohm internal resistance. See here given values R, capital R equal to, both are connected in series. That's why R is equal to R1 plus R2. So 5 ohm plus 8 ohm becomes 13 ohm. And the EMF value is given as 1.5 volt and the internal resistance is 2 ohm, and question mark is potential difference. So before going to calculate the potential difference, we should know the value of I, that is current. So what is the formula of current? I equal to E divided by capital R plus R. What is the E value? 1.5. What is capital R value? That is 13 ohm, because 8 plus 5 becomes 13, plus internal resistance is 2. 1.5 divided by 15. So 15, 1.5 divided by 15, that means what is the value of current is 0.1 ampere. So 15 will get cancelled, 0.1 ampere. And question mark is that we have to calculate the potential difference. Applying the Ohm's law, V equal to I into R, I value is 0.1 and resistance across the 5 ohm only he mentioned. So that's why we are taking the value of resistance as 5 ohm. 0.1 into 5 becomes 0.5 volt.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಳಾಸ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಪಿಯು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಬಾಲ್ಕಿ